In this demo, I will show you how to use pictures for creating an animated GIF. An animated GIF is a type of digital picture format that can show a sequence of pictures put together to make a short repeating animation. I will open a series of photos taken of a geisha in Adobe Photoshop. I will open the window menu and select Arrange and click on Float All in Windows so that I can view all the image files more clearly. I have already created a new file in which I will place the series of pictures one by one using the Move tool. I am going to use Ctrl+T on the keyboard to apply the free transform feature on this first image. I will drag the image from the corner to resize in this manner and make it a little bigger to fit inside my canvas properly. Note that when you are placing the series of images, they need to be placed in the right order of their movement. Otherwise, you will not be able to create a good animation out of your photos. My canvas is a bit wider for my pictures. I will apply the crop tool to make my canvas fit to the size of the photos. I will open the window menu and click on Timeline. In the Timeline pane, select Create Frame Animation. On the top right hand side of the timeline panel, you can see a small icon with many lines. Click on it and select Make Frames from Layers. You will now be able to see all the images placed next to each other in the timeline panel. I will apply a gradient to the background layer. I have used the colors of the sky, light blue and white, to apply the gradient. I will use the text tool to give a title to my project. I will use the merge down option from the layer pane to merge the layer with text with the background layer. My canvas is a bit wider for my pictures. I will apply the crop tool to make my canvas fit to the size of the photos. I will open the window menu. I will click on the drop down arrow at the bottom of the first image where I can see the option to set the timings. I will set a timing for all my images. You can either choose to play the animation once or loop the animation. I will select the first image in the timeline and click on the play icon to check how my animation looks.